Hi guys, and welcome to iDeveloper. Today I'll be showing you how to use Cocoapods in your own project. So no matter what kind of app you're creating, you're likely to use code from another developer in the form of a framework or a library, and this is what Cocoapods does. It houses all these frameworks into one ecosystem, and it makes it super easy to install one or multiple frameworks without having to import everything yourself. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, we open the terminal by pressing Command Space and typing in terminal. Once the terminal is opened, we fill in the command sudo gem install Cocoapods. So as you can see, this command will prompt your password, which you need to fill in, and after that everything will start to install, but it'll take some time.
2 hours later.
So once the installation is done, all you need to do is fill in the command pod setup and you're all done. The next thing we'll do is open up Xcode and create a new project. We select the single view application under iOS application and click next. Now we choose a product name. It doesn't really matter what name you take. For this tutorial I'll be naming it Test Coco, but you can take whatever name you want. And the last thing we do is click next. Okay, so now I'm going to save my project under the desktop, just for easy access. You can save it wherever you want, but this is the easiest. So as you can see, this is the project and we can close it for now. Next thing we do is go to terminal, and there you have to do a change directory to wherever your project is. So in this case for me it's cd desktop / testcocoa. So now we're going to make the actual pod file. We do this by typing in nano pod file, which will open a text editor. We type in platform iOS, and then 8.0, which means all versions of 8.0 and higher. The next thing we do is fill in pod and then the name of whatever library or framework you want to use. So in this case I chose the parts framework. Now we do Ctrl X to leave the editor, just say yes, and for the name press enter. So the last thing we have to do is type pod install, and this will create our new workspace. So we can now close the terminal and open up the project file. As you can see, we have the old Xcode project, but now we also have a workspace project available, which we will be using from now on. Just click on the workspace to open up the project. You can see there are two projects and one of them is named pods. So this is where all the files are created, which we downloaded and installed previously. Now all that's left to do is make a bridging header for Swift, since most of the frameworks are written in Objective-C. Without the header there is no communication between our ParsePods project and the Coco test project. So go to File, New File, and under iOS Source you will see the header file. Just click on it, save it as header and create it. Now just open up the header file that we just created and type #import and then between quotation marks parse.h. Or an alternative is to write import open angle brackets parse/parse.h and close the angle brackets. Okay guys, so that was it for this tutorial. You should now be able to use pod files within your own project. So I hope this helped you in one way or the other, and thanks for viewing, and I'll see you next time.